Okay. Today already we have studied regarding density. For 7th class, I have told you density. How we have defined density? We have defined density as mass by volume. You all remember that? Okay. Today we will do only small activities here. If we keep same masses, thus they occupy same volume, let us say. Okay? Are you following? If I keep two different substances of same mass, do they occupy equal volume? Okay? For this, you have an activity in page number 20 in your textbook. Okay. In that, it has given that aim of the activity is to show that different substances of equal mass have different volumes. Same masses are there. We will find out whether they will occupy same volume or a different volume. Now, in this, if you want to see, you can say in this. See here, in this activity, what he has taken, this is your beam balance. What is the usage of a beam balance, children? Beam balance is used to measure the mass. Okay? The beam balance is taken. In this, we will be having two pans. Okay? Left pan and a right pan. Now, the materials required in this activity is a beam balance. To this, we require one weight. You will be seeing in the common balance your vegetable, when you are buying the vegetables at green grocer, you will be putting some weights. Take a weight, and in the other pan we are placing some sand, or you can place a stone. Okay? Materials means to do this activity, what do you require? Those are called as the materials required. First is aim, next is materials required. Now, I have taken equal mass of stone and some sand. I have placed them in the pans. In the two pans, I have placed one pan stone and the another one sand. Now, in this sand, in the other pan, we are placing the sand. In the other pan, we are placing the stone. Keep on adding the sand till the beam becomes horizontal. When can we say horizontal? If both the weights on two pans are equal, can we say the beam becomes horizontal or not? Okay? Here, aim is to show different substances of same mass occupy different volumes. Okay? Different substances of same mass occupy different volumes. A beam balance is taken. In one pan we are placing the stone, in the other pan sand. Here, keep on adding the sand till the beam becomes horizontal. Now, when you look at the stone and one pan I have placed a stone. In the other pan I have placed some amount of sand. This is stone, this is sand. The beam balance is balanced. Both the masses are same. Now look at the figure and tell me which one has occupied more volume. What I said, volume means the space occupied by any substance, we call it as a volume. Now the space occupied by stone is less, but the space occupied by my sand is more. Now, can I say now that different substances are there, like stone is one substance, sand is another substance. Different substances, but the masses are same. You may be getting it down. How can you tell teacher that masses are same? See, in one pan we are placing a stone and in the other pan sand. When does the beam becomes horizontal? If both the masses are equal. Hence, both the masses are equal. Now, by looking at them, we can say that sand is occupying more volume when compared to a stone. Okay, students, this is an activity to show different substances of same mass occupy different volumes. Okay? Now look at the same page. You have another activity. Look at here. You have another activity. Now in this, your aim is to show equal volumes of different substances occupies different masses. To show different substances of equal volumes occupies different masses. Okay? Now in the last activity we have shown both are of same mass. Now we are taking equal volumes. Okay? Equal volumes we are taking. We need to find out of different substances. Like I am taking in one container oil and in the another one water. Or in one container kerosene, in another container water. Or in one container water, in the another one benzene or turpentine oil, like that. Okay? But they all must be of same volume. Different substances must be there, equal volumes. Now we need to find out whether they occupy different masses. Here, in order to find out the mass, which instrument do we use? A beam balance. Look at your activity 3. The same thing, he has taken a beam balance. Again, 2 pans. The same glasses he has taken. 2 are of same glasses. In one glass, he has filled it with kerosene. And in the another one, he has filled it with water. Now, after filling them, he has placed in the 2 pans. Okay? Now, in these glasses, you can take 100 ml of water and 100 ml of your kerosene. Both volumes must be same. Okay? After filling in one thing, kerosene, okay, I have taken 100 ml of kerosene in one container in another container I have taken water 100 ml. Both volumes are same. Okay. Now place these two containers in the pans. Okay. What do you observe? The pan is not, the beam is not horizontal. Look at your figure. It is moving downwards, whereas your kerosene is coming upwards. Pan with a glass of water is going down. Okay? Why it is going down? Because of the mass. Masses are not equal. Because of the unequal masses, even though you have filled same amount of water, same amount of volume, like kerosene and water you have taken, volumes are same, but the pan with water is going down. That means the masses are different. Did we have shown different substances? Did we use in this activity? Did we use equal volumes? And at last we have concluded they are having different masses. That's why the glass of water is coming down and the glass of kerosene, both, even though they both are of same volume, kerosene is coming upwards. Okay, these are the two activities regarding your density. Okay, children. Note down your homework. Write an activity to show masses are same, but the substances will occupy different volumes. Okay, to show masses are same, but the substances are occupying different volumes. Or if you want to show, write an activity to show equal mass of different substances. If you want to show equal mass of different substances will occupy different volumes. Okay? You need to write this activity in your own words, children, to show equal masses of different substances will occupy different volumes. Write as if like an activity, like aim, materials, procedure, observation, and conclusion. Draw the diagram. Okay? Try to do this. Okay, children? Thank you.